I'm Kellis with AMS Parts, and today we're going to be talking about a crucial part of your machine, or really a driving force of your machine, the final drive. A final drive is made up of two components, the gearbox and the drive motor. Your final drive is located between your tracks towards the back of the machine. It takes the energy from your engine and converts it to your tracks to propel your machine forward and backwards. Now that we know where your final drive is located and what it is, we're going to go over some preventative maintenance tips that you can use to keep your machine running smoothly. You should always be alert for leaks around your final drive. A leak means a seal has failed. This can cause debris and foreign material to enter your hydraulic system, causing catastrophic damage to your final drive. Just as the oil you put in your car's engine, a final drive takes oil as well. It is important to check the level and quality of your oil every so often to reduce friction and heat within the final drive. Please refer to your owner's manual for the type and kind of oil you should be putting in your final drive. The case drain filter is important because it keeps debris and foreign materials out of your hydraulic system. It is important to check the case drain filter to make sure there is no clogs and it is doing its job. Keeping your machine's undercarriage clean from debris and dirt is also very important. Debris can hide leaks you may not see and can also add unforeseen stress to your final drive. While your final drive is not always seen, it is a crucial part in your machine's performance. Hopefully today, the tips that we shared will extend your final drive shelf life. When your final drive shelf life comes to an end, AMS is here with the right part, right price, right now.